Hey guys, J&T Shooter Reviews back again. I'm going to show you why Glock hates Remington. This is Remington Thunderbolt. This is a Glock 44. Let me just show you, and it should explain for itself. Failure to extract. Didn't lock back. Taurus TX22. No malfunctions. I've had countless rounds through this Glock 44, and it has malfunctioned every single mag I have shot that Remington Thunderbolt through it. This is the stuff what it looks like. That's the box. So if you got a Glock 44, probably wouldn't shoot much of that shit through it.